Yes, Daddy.
Firstly, in the VirtualBox, go to Machine and click New. Then look for your Windows version. Then type in a name. Click Next. Adjust memory size. Then click Next. Click Create. Choose VirtualBox Disk Image. Then click Next. Click Dynamically Allocated. Click Next. Adjust memory size again. Click Create.
Right-click on Windows Server 2016 Virtual System, click Settings, then click on Advanced tab. Change the Share Clipboard to bidirectional, the same as drag and drop. Let the default in System and Display. Click Storage, choose Empty, click on the disk icon, then choose or create a virtual optical disk. Click Add. Choose the ISO file of Windows Server 2016. Click OK. Let the default on Audio, Network, Serial Bus, USB, Shared Folders, and User Interface, and click OK. Start the virtual system.
Language to install: English, United States. Time and currency format: English or United States. Then click Install Now. Setup is starting. Windows Setup. Select the operating system you want to install. Choose Windows Server 2016 Standard Evaluation Desktop Experience times 64, date modified 7/16/2016, then click Next. Which type of installation do you want? Custom. Drive 0, unallocated space, total size 60 GB, free space 60 GB, then click Next. Installing Windows status. Wait for it. Windows needs to restart to continue. Wait for it. Customize settings. Password. You make your own password and retype your password. Then click Finish. Once your password does not strong, you make new password and retype your password, then click Finish.
Enter the administrator password. Wait for the system to boot up. When the desktop is booted up, the server manager File Explorer will appear. The dashboard will appear. And click on local server. Scroll down. Click on add servers. Scroll down and check it. So there you have it. Thank you for watching.
Oh yes, Daddy!